Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways. Apecoin, Ape could hit $5,477 in 2022. Apecoin's cost expectation for the most negative situation will esteem Ape at $5.92 in 2022. Apecoin's past all-time high was on 28 April 2022, where Ape was valued at $26.07. Apecoin's cost simultaneously last week was $6,723. It has moved by 10,043% in the previous week and is right now at $7.04. In fact, in the beyond 24 hours, Ape has siphoned by 1,078%. There is a slight negative opinion in the crypto market. The drawn-out opinion, nonetheless, stays bullish, and Ape could hit $14,383 in 2023. The complete coursing supply of Apecoin as of compassing this video was $306,875,000, and the market cap of Ape stays at $2,260,403,036. Significant disclaimer. For coins with practically zero pieces of information and inexistent verifiable information, the model as a matter of course will show a positive cost expectation. It is basically impossible for our AI bot to interpret white paper, tokenomics and group respectability. The coin's value that you are going to see underneath can fall radically contingent upon many elements, so if it's not too much trouble, contribute carefully in the wake of really looking at the group and ventures white paper. This ongoing value expectation is finished by a machine doing the math, and the model is still in the early beta stages. It should rigorously not be taken as a venture counsel. Albeit the best designers are at present tweaking and refreshing the calculation, no human has checked the cost anticipated underneath, so if it's not too much trouble, utilize your tact and settle on a choice carefully. Our Apecoin cost forecast model considers a ton of data of interest and factors to give the estimated worth of Ape before long to come. No calculation, be that as it may, can be 100% exact, yet we endeavor to present to you the most reliable cost forecast by utilizing a high-level AI/ML information crunching model. The information focuses remember Apecoins for chain development of coins for August 2022 and past authentic information. Apecoin's absolute exchanging volume on trades for August 2022 and past authentic information. Apecoin's social feeling for August 2022 and past authentic information. Apecoin's impending guide and developer action for August 2022 and past authentic information. Apecoin's enormous whale developments and their hodling designs for August 2022 and past authentic information. Apecoin's cost developments in view of different exchanging pointers like Bollinger Bands, RSI, moving averages, both S&E, MACD and something else for August 2022 and past authentic information. Apecoin price prediction. Apecoin has had an exciting 2021. To work on the most recent Ape cost forecast, we have split the expectation by transient Apecoin cost forecast and long-haul Apecoin cost forecast. As of compassing this video, Ape had an exchanging volume of $304,908,083. Apecoin has increased by 47,399% in the beyond 30 days. As per our examination temporarily, Apecoin cost expectation for October 2022 shows the typical cost of Ape at $4,115, and the most elevated conceivable cost for October 2022 would be $4,403. Further, as per our examination in the long haul, Apecoin cost expectation for February 2023 shows the typical cost of Ape at $12,276, and the most noteworthy conceivable cost for February 2023 would be $13,135.
Apecoin cost expectation 12 August 2022. Apecoin's cost for 12 August 2022 as indicated by our investigation ought to run between $5,362 to $6,169, and the typical cost of Ape ought to be around $5,765. Apecoin cost expectation 17 August 2022. Apecoin's cost for 17 August 2022 as per our examination ought to go between $4,601 to $5,293, and the typical cost of Ape ought to be around $4,947. Apecoin cost expectation 22 August 2022. Apecoin's cost for 22 August 2022 as indicated by our examination ought to run between $4,007 to $4.61, and the typical cost of Ape ought to be around $4,308. Apecoin cost expectation 1 September 2022. Apecoin's cost for 1 September 2022 as indicated by our investigation ought to run between $3,609 to $4,152, and the typical cost of Ape ought to be around $3.88. Apecoin cost expectation October 2022. Apecoin's cost for October 2022 as per our investigation ought to run between $3,827 to $4,403, and the typical cost of Ape ought to be around $4,115. Apecoin cost expectation November 2022. Apecoin's cost for November 2022 as indicated by our examination ought to run between $4,036 to $4,643, and the typical cost of Ape ought to be around $4,339. Apecoin cost expectation December 2022. Apecoin's cost for December 2022 as per our examination ought to run between $4,244 to $4,883, and the typical cost of Ape ought to be around $4,564. Apecoin's long-term price prediction. Apecoin's drawn-out price prediction beneath is a glance at Ape's future possibility with respect to cost. Apecoin was most recently seen at $7.04, with a market cap of $2,260,430.36 and exchanging volumes of $304,908.083. Chimp's value expectation is conceivable by examining verifiable cost activity, current turns of events and social feeling from the local area. Apecoin cost expectation 2022. Apecoin's cost for 2022 as per our examination ought to run between $3,651 to $5,477, and the typical cost of Ape ought to be around $4,564. Apecoin cost expectation 2023. Apecoin's cost for